Breaking news. Early in the morning of July 11, 2020, a fire broke out at Mission San Gabriel Archángel, which burned for almost 2.5 hours, destroying the roof and much of the interior. Fortunately, because of restoration projects in anticipation for the mission's 250th anniversary, many of the historical paintings and artifacts, as well as the altar and wooden statues, had been previously removed, saving them from the fire. The mission was already under watch because of societal unrest and the recent destruction of the statues of the California mission's founder, Father Junípero Serra, who was canonized by Pope Francis in 2015. The saint's statue, which previously stood outside the mission building, had been removed for safety reasons. It is not known to the public at this time whether or not this fire was intentional. Archbishop Gomez is calling for donations to restore the Mission San Gabriel. This report is taken the day after the fire, July 12, 2020. The footage you will now see is historic, gathered in 2018. You will see a cultural treasure that will be restored.
It's amazing to think that this church is over 200 years old. It was first founded in 1771, before the United States was even in existence. Behind me you can see the ruins of the original bell tower. Many of these missions were damaged by earthquakes that we have in California, but this one has fortunately been repaired and preserved over the years. Let's go inside. What do you see?
Jesus was baptized, like he calls us to be baptized.
Even some of the plants here are very, very old. This is a Ramona vine planted in 1774. Look how huge it is. This is my hand. Look at this. And above you can see all the grapes still growing on this enormous grapevine. It's beautiful to see what the fathers started here and how it's still thriving and growing.